S&P 500 is now trading above 4,500. Nasdaq is above 15,600. This week, I'll remain a buyer, but only for very short term. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. If you watched my video last week, you should have profited the market like us. If that is not enough, you can join my private trading community. We share trading update, trading opportunity daily. That way you definitely won't miss any trading opportunity. I'm inviting you to my trading community for free. So click the link in the description. You can join our community for free for 30 days. I look forward to meeting all of you there. All right, let's dive right into the market. All right, so let's start off with the seasonal data on from the website of my old mentor marketmaker.com. all right, you can see it's very important. I want you guys to pay attention to the top seasonal correlation right here. The pre-election correlating percentage is 88%. So this is what I'm focusing on. All right, so pre-election year right here, purple line. We see in July, we're now banging into this period. So we could still consolidating or a little bounce higher, and then until around the 20th, we could see a bigger correction. All right, so I mean, this is very interactive. I can even point to the point here. So 21st. So give or take 3 days window, we still got about a week of maybe this remaining last bit of the bullish momentum. Then that's it. That's why, even though I'm planning to be a buyer, it will be short and sweet. Okay, let's get into the technical chart and see where we can buy, right? Let's start off with the daily chart of S&P 500. All right, we saw the first reversal bar from Friday, so we could see a little bit of pullback. I like the fact that we're still on an uptrend. So let me just clear this. So we're still on an uptrend, obviously. So I like to see a small pullback to around this 4,000, I think it's 4,460 area through here. Yeah, 4,450. So what you can do is use our recommended broker, IG, set an alert, buy price 4,460, something like that. Set an alert. And that way, when price come closer to your target planning area, it'll send you an alert. Multiple interaction, previous swing high, and also the trend lines coming in 20 EMA, the blue wiggly line. You can see every time it comes in, it likes to have a bounce, and I'm just waiting for that. But then price, I will take most of my profit at close to the previous high, and that's it. I'm not going to think it's going to go to 4,600 and those kind of things. So short and sweet, you know, the target, that would be my plan of that. Moving on to Nasdaq, I still want to be a buyer as well. Let's go to a daily chart. So I've got a target planning buying area around the 15,300 to 15,270 area. Again, you can put it here. So price alert 15270. All right, set an alert, wait for good price action. Same thing again, trend line, blue box interaction with the swing high, 20 EMA, everything is still intact. So I will remain a buyer, and then definitely if you're not going to take all the profit, take a big chunk of profit close to the all-time high, and then I might trail some. Ultimately 16,000 would be the target. Okay, but still bullish. I'm looking for the last bit of the bullish run on that. Okay, looking across other indices, there is certain weakness. Dow Jones is at resistance, you can see, so we could see a pullback in there. Not on the list to buy. Russell's performing better. It's breaking through resistance, so it could be an option. But you know, price, I need to see. Russell need to stay above 1900. Okay, if it breaks below, I could change my plan, not buying S&P and Nasdaq. So keep an eye on Russell. I like things doing, you know, similar things, or like the same instrument category doing similar things. All right. German DAX is trading in a channel, so I don't really like this sort of a thing. You know, arguable, we actually have a form of downtrend, because that's, you see, that's a lower high, that's a lower low, that's a lower high in here. So we could come back here and range for a bit and then break through. So not a big range trader. The French cat is actually similar things, forming up a channel, you can see. So not a range trader, so we could see some weakness through here as well, back to this channel down there. So a few days of pullback. FTSE is on my list to actually short maybe as early as tomorrow. We do have a very clear daily downtrend. Very clear, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, potentially high test. So could be selling this tomorrow. Let me see how I would play this. I will wait until the US Open. If I do see US weakness tomorrow, then could be, yeah, you know, two options depending how aggressive you want to be below this. So tomorrow we could see a double top 1 hour form up, so a lower high here and break below this 7,400 area. I could look to be a seller short term, because you know, if we're going to see a bounce from the US indices, this could bounce as well. So short term trade, take all the profit around 7,300. It's on my list to short early part of the week on FTSE 100. Hang Seng could be a potential to short as well. I mean, we know that it's been weak. If you go to a weekly chart, you can see clear as day. We have a weekly downtrend through here. Let me just clear some of the pivot. You can see that, all right? We saw some buying last week, but you know, the buying momentum is a phase 2. Now, it's broke off the previous swing high, so less attractive for me to sell than FTSE, but we shall see how price action develop. But you know, sooner or later, I will sell it. So if we go back and make a double top, triple top around this 19,500 area, I will be selling it perhaps end of July. That is the plan, okay? Final one that I want to show you is you've got to pay really close attention, all right? A lot of traders will see this, oh yeah, this is still on a uptrend on, this is Nikkei, Japanese Nikkei. But we read the chart from the right, which is here. So from the right back to the left, okay? Price already, this is the high point. High point is getting lower and lower, right? This is a daily downtrend already. It's low point we have. Lower high, lower low. So the Nikkei could bounce to here and then range and then eventually break, which will be more beneficial of buying the Japanese yen. Tomorrow I will broadcast the Forex plan, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss our plan for the Forex and commodity trading, because I am actually already invested some of the gold stock. I'm planning to go long on gold and buy the Japanese yen. So do stay tuned if you don't want to miss that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Otherwise, see you guys next week.